How to recognize the quality of enzyme? It depends on the activity of enzyme, such as digestion and catalytic activity. We will prove the quality of enzyme by experiments as the following. First, the degradation of the starch by our enzyme. 30 grams cornstarch added into these 2 glasses. Add some water to dissolve. Pour 100 degrees centigrade temperature of boiling water to boil the cornstarch. Add 5 grams of our enzyme into one of them and stir slowly. We can see our enzyme can degrade starch to carbohydrates, and it changes the state from solid to liquid. Compare with another glass without enzyme, it still be solid state. According to our experiment, we can prove the activities of our enzyme. It can degrade starch to carbohydrates. When we getting older or affected by environment pollution, our physiological function getting worse. So, when our body don't have enough amylase to degrade starch, it will cause nutrient deficiency, aging, and disease. Second, the degradation of protein. Put an egg in the 2 glasses. Put 30 milliliters and 5 grams of our enzyme in one of glass. Stir with 13 seconds. Compared to the control, the protein degrades to amino acid in enzyme group, and it also changes the state to liquid state, like water. This is the best identification to prove the activities of enzyme. Then, pour 100 degrees centigrade temperature of boiling water into glasses. However, we can see the egg drop in another group without enzyme. Because of the protein didn't be degraded, there is ability to degrade protein in our enzyme, and it can be proved by the experiment. Protein is the most important nutrient for us. It regulates so many mechanisms in our body, and when protein degrades to amino acid, it will be used by body easily. So, taking some enzyme is helpful and healthy. The degradation of fat. Put 30 milliliters cooking oil into these 2 glasses. Add 30 milliliters liquid enzyme and 5 grams enzyme in one of glasses. Then stir it quickly about 1 minute. Pour 100 degrees centigrade temperature of boiling water. We can find that the enzyme can degrade the oil and fat to fatty acid and glycerol. So, after pouring boiling water, it turns to small molecules float on water. Compared to the glass without enzyme, the fat didn't be degraded, so it turns out big molecules float on water. Through this experiment, we can prove our enzymes have the ability to degrade fat and oil. As we know, fatty acid is also an important nutrient for us. Fatty acid deficiency will decrease the regeneration and protection of our cells, and it will cause degeneration, aging, or tissue damage. So, supplement enzyme can help our body to degrade fat and oil to be used easily by us. If we don't have enough enzyme, it will cause fat accumulation or even cause disease. In summary, according to these experiments, we could recognize the quality of enzymes. And we also know the enzyme deficiency would cause aging and disease. So, supplement enzyme is the good way to keep health and energy.